Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you're there? Or found yourself rereading the same sentence, unable to focus? That frustrating mental haze, brain fog, is more common than you think. We often blame lack of sleep or stress, but these are just surface-level triggers. What if the real cause is deeper, rooted in our biology? Brain fog isn't a personal failing. It's a signal from your body that something's out of balance. Ignoring it means missing a crucial message from your brain. To clear the fog, we need to look beyond the obvious and understand what's really happening inside us. Let's dig into the hidden causes of brain fog, and how you can reclaim your mental clarity. It all starts with a process happening in your body right now. The real culprit behind persistent brain fog? Inflammation. Not the obvious swelling from an injury, but chronic low-level inflammation that quietly disrupts your brain. This is driven by immune messengers called cytokines, which, when constantly activated, cross into your brain and interfere with how your brain cells communicate. The result: memory lapses, trouble focusing, and that static in your thinking. This isn't your imagination, it's a biological reality. The good news? Inflammation is influenced by your daily choices. By identifying and addressing what's fueling this fire, you can finally lift the fog. It's time to stop blaming yourself and start asking, what's causing inflammation in my body and brain? Let's look at the biggest drivers. Diet is one of the biggest drivers of chronic inflammation. Ultra-processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats keep your immune system on high alert, fueling brain fog. Sugar spikes and certain seed oils tip your body toward inflammation. The solution? Shift to whole, unprocessed foods, colorful fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Berries, leafy greens, and omega-3 rich foods like salmon and walnuts actively calm inflammation. Even spices like turmeric and ginger can help. Every meal is a chance to support your brain and clear the static. What you eat truly shapes your mental clarity. Diet matters, but so does stress. Chronic stress keeps your cortisol levels high, which fuels inflammation and directly harms your brain. High cortisol shrinks the prefrontal cortex and damages the hippocampus, key areas for focus and memory. That's why stress makes it so hard to think clearly or remember things. Managing stress isn't a luxury, it's essential for your brain. You don't need an hour of meditation. Even short breaks, deep breathing, or a quick walk can lower cortisol. These small habits help break the cycle of stress and inflammation. The goal isn't to eliminate stress, but to build resilience. Protecting your mind starts with simple, daily actions. Let's look at another hidden factor: your gut. Sleep is vital, but it's not the whole story, especially if inflammation is disrupting your rest. Deep sleep clears toxins from your brain, but chronic inflammation can block this process. Your gut health is key. A healthy microbiome regulates inflammation and even produces brain chemicals like serotonin. Poor diet and stress can damage your gut, letting inflammatory molecules reach your brain. Support your gut with diverse plant fibers and fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, and don't forget screen time. Blue light from devices at night disrupts sleep and fuels brain fog. Set a digital curfew and use blue light blockers to protect your sleep. Nurture your gut and manage your screen time to support mental clarity. Small changes here make a big difference. I've experienced brain fog myself. Despite exercising and eating well, I felt mentally sluggish and unfocused. Like many, I blamed stress and tried to push through, but nothing changed. As a doctor, I knew it was more than just tiredness. I overhauled my diet, cutting sugar and processed foods, and focused on anti-inflammatory meals. Oily fish, colorful veggies, and turmeric. I also set a strict digital curfew, putting screens away well before bed. Within weeks, my mind cleared and my focus returned. The lesson? Small, consistent changes targeting inflammation can transform your mental clarity. You have more control than you think. It's not about perfection, but about progress. Address the root cause, and the fog can lift. Ready to start? Here are 3 simple steps for clearer thinking. First, eat a balanced breakfast with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think eggs with spinach or yogurt with berries. Second, hydrate with water and a pinch of sea salt and lemon to support brain function. Third, move every hour. Even a few minutes of stretching or walking boosts blood flow and focus. These small habits, done consistently, reduce inflammation and support your brain. Remember, brain fog is a real physiological issue, but you can fix it. Small, science-backed changes in diet, stress, stress and sleep make a big difference. Your brain isn't broken, it just needs the right support. Start today, be patient, and watch the fog clear. You deserve mental clarity, one step at a time.